Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a suspension rebuild and refurbish on a set of 1995 Kawasaki KX125. The forks were rebuilt with genuine KYB fork seals and bushings along with new oil, and the upper tubes received the JBI Fukushima coat. The lower lugs were vapor blasted. The rear shock was rebuilt with a new KYB seal head, new KYB oil, and a JBI suspension black bumper. A new bladder was also installed at this time as well, as all the components were original from 1995. A new shock spring was sourced to better match the rider's weight, and we also had it powder coated green. I believe the color code is 777. This is what Kawasaki lists as their green on their bike. The light's a little weird in the shop, so the camera may not be picking it up as accurate as it is in person. Fun build, bringing back this suspension back to life. I had a lot of time on it, and it's going to be a good looking restore once the owner is all done with their build. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.